planning a cozy date night in for New Year's 2026? Or maybe just want to impress someone special any night of the year? Well, I've got the perfect recipe for you. A ridiculously delicious and romantic garlic butter shrimp pasta. It sounds fancy, but trust me, it's super easy to make and guaranteed to be a hit. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of your favorite long pasta, like fettuccine or spaghetti. Then, the star of our show, 1 pound of large shrimp, peeled and deveined. We'll also need 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 cloves of minced garlic, and feel free to add more if you were a garlic lover like me. A tablespoon of olive oil, and a half cup of heavy cream. For that extra touch of restaurant-quality flavor, grab a half cup of dry white wine, like a Sauvignon Blanc or Pinot Grigio. If you prefer to skip the alcohol, you can use chicken or vegetable broth instead. We'll also need a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, some fresh parsley for garnish, and of course, salt and pepper. If you like a little heat, some red pepper flakes are a great addition. Got everything? Great. Let's start by cooking our pasta. Get a large pot of salted water boiling and cook your fettuccine or spaghetti according to the package directions until it's perfectly al dente. That means it should still have a slight bite. Once it's done, drain it and set it aside. A little pro tip: save about a cup of that starchy pasta water. It's liquid gold and can help thicken our sauce later if needed. Now, for the shrimp. In a large skillet or pan, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, carefully add your shrimp in a single layer. Don't overcrowd the pan. You might need to do this in 2 batches. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You'll know they're ready when they turn pink and opaque. The key here is not to overcook them, or they'll get tough. As soon as they're done, take them out of the pan and set them aside on a plate. Okay, now it's time to build that incredible creamy garlic butter sauce. Using the same pan, don't clean it. All those little browned bits from the shrimp are pure flavor. Melt your 4 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Once the butter is melted and foamy, add your minced garlic. Sauté it for about a minute until it becomes fragrant. You'll smell that amazing aroma fill your kitchen. Be careful not to let the garlic burn, as it can turn bitter. If you're using white wine, now's the time to pour it in. It will deglaze the pan, lifting all those tasty bits off the bottom. Let the wine simmer and reduce for about 2 to 3 minutes. This cooks off the alcohol and concentrates the flavor. If you're using broth, you can just let it simmer for a minute. Next, it's time for the creamy element. Pour in the half cup of heavy cream and give it a good stir. Let the sauce gently simmer for about 5 minutes, allowing it to thicken up slightly. It should be able to coat the back of a spoon. Now, let's make this sauce even more luxurious. Reduce the heat to low and gradually stir in your 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Keep stirring until the cheese is completely melted and the sauce is smooth and velvety. This is where you taste and season. Add a good pinch of salt and some freshly cracked black pepper. Give it a taste and adjust if needed. Remember, the Parmesan is salty, so you might not need as much salt as you think. We're in the home stretch. It's time to bring everything together. Add your cooked pasta directly into the pan with that beautiful sauce. Use a pair of tongs to toss everything together, making sure every single strand of pasta is coated in creamy goodness. If the sauce seems a little too thick, this is where that reserved pasta water comes in handy. Add a splash or 2 to loosen it up until you get your desired consistency. Finally, add the cooked shrimp back into the pan. Give it all one last gentle toss to combine everything, and let the shrimp warm through for about a minute. We don't want to cook them any further, just get them nice and hot. And there you have it. Your masterpiece is ready to be served. Plate your pasta immediately to make it look as good as it tastes. Garnish generously with freshly chopped parsley for a pop of color and freshness. If you like that little kick of spice, sprinkle on some red pepper flakes. This garlic butter shrimp pasta is rich, decadent, and bursting with flavor. It's the kind of meal that feels special without spending hours in the kitchen. Perfect for a cozy date night, a special celebration like New Year's Eve, or just any time you want to treat yourself and your loved one. Thanks for cooking along with me today. I hope you absolutely love this recipe. If you make it, let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. Enjoy your romantic dinner.